nigiri. For the nigiri, you will take this rice ball and put here in the middle of the, like this. And you have to make this. It happens. Some people use in the wasabi like this, pure wasabi, like this wasabi, here, pure wasabi, and put in the middle. Nigiri should be like a, seems like a boat. This is the Cameroon nigiri, and I'm gonna make this is the hamasi. I'm gonna calculate the difference. We have to use here wasabi, and we have to catch like this. So nigiri, okay. I'm gonna make the salmon's nigiri. For the nigiri, you have to use 10 to 12 gram rice, not more than 12 gram. It's a pandemic time, so I'm gonna make the boxes for the client. I have here sashimi, very good sashimi. I just open now, and here is the tuna. It seems to like a chutoro, but it's not a chutoro. I think it's akami, the tail part. This is also good tuna. Today also I have the good tuna. So let's make the boxes for the client. Okay, I have to make 2 boxes of 20 pieces. And this is the nabo for the decoration of the sashimi. I have a leg. I'll use right now. I have the already leg. This is the tuna, and also that is the tuna. There we have the tuna, good tuna. This is the white piece. No, I'm trying to put tuna, California rolled tuna with green apple. This is the Uramaki. Uramaki means 3 by 4 of the nuri we will use. This is the California roll with shrimp and avocado. Now I have the California roll with avocado and cream cheese. Now I'll put the kunkan, 1 salmon and 1 pepino and 1 cucumber, okay? 1 salmons and 1 cucumber. Now we have the here 20 pieces. I think here is 1 pieces is more. Yeah. I'm gonna put this one here. Here. And I'm using this, which I already made. Now I'll make one little bit different for our the lemon. Let's see. Now I make this nice. It looks like it's very delicious, yeah. Yes, finally I make these boxes. This is the 20 pieces and this is also 20 pieces, and that is the golden leather. Okay, you can see the butterfly. I'm putting the sakura, and here is the art quality.